Hi everyone, today is not usual video. Today I show you my gypsum project. It's a ring holder. It's small, but it's cute. Um, I did it by mold. I buy it was cheap, and after I work with this side, yeah, and this it's perfect. I don't have a bubble. If you know how to work with gypsum or plaster, you know bubble is problem. I don't have a table with vibration, so it fool my hand job, and I think it's perfect because uh, no bubbles. It's big job, yeah, and it's one of my uh, hobby. I like do something from plaster or printing, so sometimes I will show you um, my product from plaster. Maybe sometimes uh, will come in something new, not only 3D printing, but usually I often use 3D printer. So bye bye. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.